Hey y'all, I don't normally do these like green screens showing pictures to explain, but I thought I'd try for once. So, in Japan, if you ever want to take the bus, which is really useful a lot of times, especially in Kyoto or in smaller towns, then you will see at the bus stops like a schedule like this that has the white, blue, and pink. So, first time I saw this, I was super confused, but after that, I understood pretty quickly. So, white is weekdays, like Monday to Fridays, and blue is weekends, and pink are holidays, like their legal holiday times. And so, what you're looking here is the hour, so like 6, 7, 8, 9 a.m., and so on and so forth. And then here are the minutes. So, like was that like 6:48 or whatever that is? That would be the first bus on a weekday at this stop, and all the way up to their last bus. And they're pretty accurate. Um, Buses may come like a minute or two late sometimes, but for the most part, they try to be on time and they come and go really fast, so you definitely have to be there at the time that you want to try to be. But most bus stops for popular places come regularly, like every 10 or so minutes. It would be if you're in the outskirts of towns or villages that they may come less frequently, so you'd have to definitely either check online or stop by the bus stop before you start exploring to see what the schedule is like. So you make sure you don't miss the last one. But yeah, hopefully this is helpful. Numbers are pretty small in this picture, but I hope you get it. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. I almost forgot one more thing. On these pieces of paper at the bus stops, my finger's not going to point all the way up there, but you see the little green circle up all the way at the top? That will be the bus number or bus name to look at. So, somewhere in the top will be the little green circles with numbers to show which schedule corresponds with which bus. And many of these schedules correspond with multiple buses. So let's say like buses 5, 10, and 12 may have the exact same schedule sheet. So you just have to check all the way at the top for the green little circle for which bus you are looking to get on. Easiest ways to figure out which bus to get on would be Google Maps or some other form of phone map system that you prefer to use. But there's also pieces of paper here that show in Japanese, so Google Translate if you need to, show which stops, like where in town or in the city that the bus will stop at. But hopefully this is helpful again. I think I got everything now.